Okay, so let's work on figuring out how to do our project. So what we'll need to do is we need to go to Desmos.com, and then we'll click on our graphing calculator. Now, once you have your picture, figured out what you're going to do, you're going to import the picture into Desmos. So you add item and you click image. And then you decide which image you're going to do. So let's say we do this image. Okay. Now we'll probably want to scroll in and get a little bit bigger. Now, what we can do is we can figure out if any of these are parabolic in shape. So what we'll need to do is we'll need to add an expression. And we're going to say, okay, well, let's say y equals ax squared and then plus bx plus c. And what we're going to do is we're going to add all those in, and we're going to be able to switch what the shapes are here by just moving our slider here. So looks like we're way up here, and that's not where I really want to be. So let's move up and down here. So let's move down here somewhere. And I don't know, let's get it about there. Now we need to move kind of left and right. So now we got that. So now let's move up here. We'll just do this one here. And so now we kind of have to shrink it down a little bit here with the A one, and then we'll have to move it around again, maybe, you know, kind of get it to about that spot. And again, there's not going to be looking perfect when you get done. It's going to be as close as we can get as a parabolic shape. And so now let's see here. Let's go maybe there. Can we move it a little bit? Maybe there, then we can do down a little bit. Can I change that any? All right, so that's about as good as we're gonna get probably. And so that would be the shape. Now this one continues down and does a sharp direction, but a parabolic shape kind of does this. And so this is going to be as good as we get with this kind of picture. And so then our equation would be y equals a negative 0.9 x squared plus 0.5 x minus 2.1. And that's based on this here figure. And so then what you would do is you would have your thing here, and then you could share that with myself, and you could say share your graph, it loads it, and then you could have that as part of your assignment that you submit to me. So hopefully that will help you figure out what you need to do there.